it's Vicky. Today we're doing another unboxing video. This box is huge. It's like bigger than my head. Uh, listen guys, my hair, okay, it's mostly brown now. I haven't dyed it in months, and I felt like, I was looking at pictures when I used to have the bright pink hair, and I was thinking, I really miss having funny colored hair, and I really want a fresh dye. So I ordered a bunch of stuff from Manic Panic. Not sponsored or affiliated at all. I just, a lot of people recommend them, so I thought I'd give it a try. And I very carefully spent hours, researching and choosing what things I would buy. Iced coffee. And I thought it'd be really fun if we unboxed what I got together. And by the way, look, I got new scissors because my old ones, we had like 3 other pairs of scissors in my house, and like none of them cut properly. They're all like super loose. So I got these. And just like talking about my scissors now. They have a screw, so if they get loose, you can tighten it. Why do all scissors not have this? Anyway, today my first time using my new scissors. Let's open this box and let's see what I got from Manic Panic. Let's do a new hair color reveal together. Da-da-dum. Let's not cut myself with these scissors. Probably don't need those anymore. More coffee! By the way, I have a TikTok now. Like, go follow me or something. Vicky Muffins. So let's see what's in the box. Ooh, paper! I love paper. I can actually reuse this. I do recycle. Or reuse, I guess. I reuse a lot of packing materials, so that's actually a good thing to get in my package. Okay, wait, is this all just paper? Is there anything in here? There's still more. I guess the box was like twice as big as it needed to be. There's so much paper. Half the box was paper. Okay, what's this? We have a packing list. I'm gonna open it off camera in case it has my address. See if there's any prices on here. Oh, speaking of prices, at the time when I purchased this stuff, they were having like a 35% off everything on the site sale. So like maybe, go check out their site and see if they're still having that sale. But I got like $75 worth of stuff for like 50 bucks, and it was so awesome. Okay. So, let's start pulling the things out. Crunchy noise. I got this cute pink comb slash hair dye brush. So you can like use this little brushy part to like paint the dye onto your head, I guess. And then like the comb to like comb over the sections or something. Here, to point the camera down some so I can show the products better. And then I also got this kit. I just love the noises of the plastic. This kit. All you need to dye your hair toolkit. So we've got a much more fancier comb. I don't know why I bought the small comb. Much fancier comb in here. There's also a pair of gloves and a coloring cap. The gloves are latex free, which I love because I hate the smell of latex. It smells awful. And I guess some people are like allergic to it too. Well, let me just... Um, also, if only my hair could look like that, though. Ooh, okay. Well, here's the first thing I'm gonna be using, I believe. Yes. Amplified Flash Lightning Super Strength Bleach Kit. My hair is pretty dark, so I figured I needed like a strong bleach. I am not an expert on hair products. Hopefully this is what I needed. I don't know, guys, but I like the shiny box. So the products I got were from their Amplified line, which is like semi-permanent rather than temporary. So I guess their original line was like temporary dyes, and then they made these amplified, which are like semi-permanent. So they fade over time, but they're more potent, I guess. And then I also got Manic Panic Amplified Virgin Snow White Toner. Because I know when I dye my hair, when I bleach my hair, it's gonna turn like yellow or something. So this is supposed to get rid of like the yellowness. I don't know, something like color theory, If my hair is yellow and I put a color, it's gonna be like whatever color you make when you mix that color with yellow. And then of course, I couldn't resist. I had to get more pink dye. Because pink is my favorite color. Let's see. I got the cotton candy pink. It looks a lot darker, I think, in the bottle than it comes out in your hair. I think this is like a lighter pink. A little bit different than I had last time. Okay. And then here's the new color. Because I didn't want to just have the same hair color. I'm going to do a combination of these two colors. I think I'm going to split my hair like down the middle and do one side purple and one side pink. This is the Electric Amethyst. I'm having tinnitus in my ear suddenly. Hello. Alright. And last but not least, we have bubble wrap. The best thing in the package, if you ask me. Wonder if my cats would like this. Maybe we can pop some. Satisfying. This is the best part of the video. Ooh, I kind of want to step on it. But yes, this is my next hair color reveal. Okay, we're gonna go, I think maybe this side with the amethyst, and then maybe this side. Oh my god, the bottle's coming open. Oh, I hope it's sealed. Oh, thank goodness. It has a safety seal. I was like, it's coming open. Probably do this color on this side. We shall see what I end up doing, but I've got 4 steps, and this is gonna take a while. I'll probably wait like a week or two in between doing each thing so that my hair can like recover, get hydrated, use extra like what's it called? What's that stuff called when you hydrate your hair? Conditioner, extra conditioner, Make sure my hair is well taken care of. I'm gonna try not to fry it by putting all this stuff in it. Wish me luck, guys! Anyways, y'all, if you watched this video, thank you so much for watching my video. Until next time, guys, peace, love, unity, and respect.